Hey guys, so I'm here at McDonald's, not a very healthy restaurant, but I'm looking to try their new barbecue burger. I'll get you the name here in a second. I saw they had something new and I want to give a review. Don't know why I'm doing these videos in the first place, but I'm enjoying it and I like good food and good burgers, so I'm going with it. Hey, do you guys got a new Western BBQ burger?
Yes, we do.
I'll go with one of those then, please.
Sure. Would you like it as a combo?
Yes, please.
Okay, what drink?
Diet Coke, and can I get no pickles on that, please?
Sure. Would you like to upsize the price to a large for 40 cents for the combo?
Not today.
Sure. Any ketchup, salt, or pepper in the bag?
Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll upsize the fries.
Oh yeah, sure, no problem. That is $13.35, please.
Thank you. Almost didn't do the fries I want to cut, but I have a rule that if they ask, I do it. So I got here the Western BBQ Angus burger. It's got cheese, beef, bacon, barbecue sauce, crispy onions. See it in all its glory. All right, first bite. That was pretty good. A little heavy on the barbecue sauce, but crispy bacon, crispy onions, beef. Oh, great combination. It's pretty good. I know they had something similar to this in the past. I'm not sure if this is the first time they had it or not. But, wow. For a fast food burger, that is pretty good. It's very Canadian. The Western, like Western Canada, I guess, is where the inspiration comes from. But I do know in Canada we do like barbecue flavored things. And the beef quality is a little bit better than probably elsewhere in the world. It's one of the best things about, I guess, McDonald's not being a very high quality food retailer, but their beef quality is pretty good. I'm a fan of this. It tastes good. Yeah. I know McDonald's Canada was having issues with beef suppliers during the last year with COVID, and they stopped selling the Angus, which is one of my favorites from there, and I kind of stopped going, but I saw they had a new burger here and I wanted to give it a try. And I'm pretty impressed, honestly. It's good. Like, good. A lot of sauce. Oh. See that? Dripping all over me. Oh. Sauce. The barbecue sauce is not very hot, tangy, or anything like that. It's just sweet. Traditional McDonald's. Not bad though. Take one last bite here and I'll give you my review. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Wow. Yeah, so I'll give this a rating out of 10. Got a thing on that one. If it was less saucy, it would obviously be better. I'm just going to base this off what I got. I'm not sure how they make it across to Canada, but probably a soft 8 out of 10. It's good, crunchy. I like the crispy onions. I like the crispy bacon. But there's just so much sauce. Regardless of what it is, it's still pretty good. 8 out of 10. Cool. If you're enjoying these food reviews, please let me know in the comments what I should do next. I don't know if you guys are enjoying these or not, but I personally am enjoying them. So I'm probably going to keep doing them. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button to see some more awesome content like this.